Alright, we're just gonna practice reloads. We'll do 2, reload, 2, reload, 2, reload. We'll just go through this whole stack. Alright. Beep. Clear. Alright, clean these off and reload them. Alright, same thing, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. Beep. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I fucked up. Shooting low. Alright. Go clean these up. Oh, he's got really dirty fuck. That was loud. Alright, this one we're going to just practice drawing from the holster and getting our shot off on target. So we'll do one shot, back. Actually we'll do 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Beep. 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 All right. See the drill, it's the same drill again. Beep. Pulled that one. Beep. 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 Alright, this one's just for accuracy. Beep. Alright, I'm grouping high. Bullseye. Alright. I'm grouping high. Pull it down a little bit, but not bad. These might have some problems. The second, the third reload. Alright. Beep. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the head, 2 to the body. Alright. Beep. Clear. I knew this one was going to have problems. This time we're going to run in reverse. 2 to the head, 2 to the body, flip 2, hit that. Beep. Alright, this time we're going to flip 2 over to there for 2 to the head, 2 to the body, and finish on that 2. Make ready. Alright. This one could have some, we could start with some weird misfires. Beep. Huh? Had a weird jam up on that one, that moon clip. I used 2 different types of brass in it, so, but I guess it simulated a jam, so that's good.